Hello, welcome. So we just created this server.js, and we say that to run this server.js, you simply write node space server. So once you do that, you should be able to see this run because we are listening at port 3000. We should be able to see it run at localhost 3000. So if I just type in on the browser localhost 3000, you should be able to see this server run. You can see this is my first response, and this is the same thing written here. This is my first this is my server response. That is what I'm saying here. This is my server response because it's listening at port 3000. So you can see that this our code is working perfectly. But in order for us to make it easier to work with node server, we need to install what we call nodemon. So nodemon makes node development much simpler, because what does nodemon do? What it does is that it keeps watching your file and updating any changes that you make. So it makes it easier for you to work with node server. So it will watch your file for changes and restart the server, making sure it is always up to date. So we're gonna do that. We need to install nodemon. So that is what we're going to do now. So the server is already running, though you cannot see it from this side. So I can do Control C in order to stop that. So I'm now having this so that I can install my nodemon. So I'm installing it in the back end. Watch out the directory. Make sure you install it in the back end. So to install nodemon, I simply say npm, which is node package manager, and I'm telling it to please install globally to install nodemon. So that is what we are going to install now. Install nodemon. So nodemon is going to help me a whole lot and help us, so that even when you make changes by writing another thing here, we can easily see it on our output immediately. So that is what we're going. So after installing nodemon, now if you want to write run this code, instead of saying node server, you simply say nodemon server. So you say nodemon server. You also get here and you see the effect. If I try to refresh this now, it will no longer show because the server is not on again. You see, the site cannot be reached because why? I use Ctrl C to stop the server so that I can install nodemon. So my nodemon is currently being installed. So once my nodemon is has finished installing, I can simply say nodemon server, so that I don't need to close again in order to perform the next action, because it will constantly be up, and anytime I make any changes, I will always see it affected. So that is why you install nodemon. Nodemon will watch your file and keep it up to date in case if you have any changes, to restart the server automatically for you. So that is why we need nodemon in order to proceed. So nodemon is going to finish installing, and immediately it does finish. Whenever I want to run this server.js again, server.js, we simply, instead of saying node server, we say nodemon server. So in subsequent classes, we are going to be looking at Express. So with Express, we can do a whole lot of things. Like I say, Express is a framework that sits on top of the node and makes creating and working with API very simple, and creating servers very simple. So that's what we're going to be looking at next. So I think this is almost up. Okay, you can see it's done now. So if I want to now run this server.js, what I simply do, I also say nodemon. Instead of saying node server, I will now say nodemon server. So once I say this and click enter, it's gonna start the, you see, starting node.js. You can see watching, it's constantly watching this directly. So if I now go here and just right click, okay, automatically it even came up on its own without me having to do anything, because I'm using nodemon now. So if I get back to this and say this is my first response, instead of saying this is my first response, I say this is my server devc response. So once I say Ctrl S, you're gonna see, you see, immediately I say Control S, something starts happening here to tell you that it's already receiving this work. So if you now go to this place and refresh, you see DevC. Can you see DevC is now added to the response? So it makes it very easy. Instead of me doing Control C to stop and restart the server, any changes that I make happens immediately. So I'm gonna say now hi. I'm gonna start here now with hi. This is my first server. Hi. Can you see that? So if I say hi, this is my server DevC response. So once I say Control S, you will see what will happen here. So I'm gonna say Control S. You can see restarted. So it has restarted the node server. So if I come here now and refresh here, I will see hi, this is my server DevC response. So that's how we're going to be moving. So in the next class, we're going to be looking at Express. So thank you.